For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to draw a shape with either the S Pen or your finger and make that shape perfect. So this goes clear back to at least the S23, could be the 22. I know it was on my S23. I currently have the S25 Ultra, and it works perfectly yet to this day, so they kept the feature throughout all these years. So anyway, let's just dive right in and go into your gallery. And for example, I just took a picture of a rug, so I had a blank space. So what you want to do is you click on draw, and we're gonna draw something. It doesn't really matter what. Oops. Let's go back here. Let's revert and start over. Revert to original. Okay, so we're going to draw something. Normally, let's say if I draw a circle, not the best circle in the world, right? Okay, so we draw that same circle and you press and hold, bang. The phone automatically upgrades whatever object you're drawing into a perfect item. So say we want to make a line, and there it just kicked in. Let's do it again if you didn't see it. So, well, we'll just do it again. So here's a line there, okay, not straight obviously. Do it again, tap and hold, bang. It upgrades it to a straight line. And you can do this, I've found, on so many different objects and patterns and stars and triangles and circles and arrows. I found arrows to be really convenient for me if I'm sending a picture to somebody and I want to put an arrow and make it attention to somebody. The trick is you can't take your finger off of the canvas. So if you make your arrow like that, it's not going to do anything. It looks like exactly as it looks. So, but if you take it and draw an arrow like that and keep your finger on it, it fixes it to however you want to do it. I mean, a perfect object. So you can also draw it like, you know, there's just so many different combinations. So let's say we want to draw another arrow, but this time we want to make it a little different, which I didn't do a very good job there. Let's try it again. There, it sort of did it, but you get the idea. Anyway, all these different shapes, all these different objects, they can all be done and made perfect, which makes anything you do look a whole lot better than putting an arrow to something like this. You know, that's not professional, versus putting an arrow to something that looks like that is a whole lot nicer looking. So all kinds of different shapes, all kinds of different figures, all kinds of different things that you can do. And the trick is keep your finger on the display, keep your finger on what the picture you're drawing on, and hold it just for a half of a second, not even that long, and it'll snap to whatever you're drawing and make it perfect. So anyway, that's my video on how to make your objects look perfect. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.